So here we are, our first pitch up for the night. We've arrived in France, northern France. We're staying at this fantastic little farm just for the night before we head up north. So see you there.
We took the Newhaven to Dieppe ferry at 5:30 this morning and then drove north to this site where we're going to chill out and get our bearings. Oh, here we are. We're on the road heading north in this part of France. We had a fabulous night at our first stopover, which was at that little campsite on a farm. Gave us a chance to just gather everything together, get everything sorted, top it with water, make sure everything was good. And actually, from having woken up at 3 o'clock in the morning to board the ferry yesterday, we were so tired. We slept a solid 12 hours. So we clearly needed it, and the bed was super comfortable. So there you go, we're on the road now, heading north to our next destination. Country number 2, we've just entered Belgium. So we're continuing our journey north, and here's the Belgian countryside. We've arrived at our first destination on this trip, and it's a bit wet outside, so we're taking the chance to have a quick bite to eat and a cup of coffee, and we'll be out there having a look at what this place has to offer very, very soon.
Are you not saying where it is then?
No, not yet. It's a surprise.
Hey baby, we're in Bruges.
Here we are then, in Bruges. Now this is the first proper stop on our European tour. We spent one night at a campsite yesterday on our way up from the ferry port, and today we've come here to do the old tourist stuff. It's a place we've been wanting to come to since we saw it featuring in the famous film.
Yeah.
The
Colin Farrell?
Yeah, the Colin Farrell and Colin Farrell and Brendan Gleeson. So that film is well worth a watch. It's absolutely fabulous. A little bit more, we think, than their recent Banshees of Inisherin, which didn't quite capture us as much as In Bruges did. They could really run you over, and there's no ABS on those either.
Just gotta have a Belgian waffle, haven't you? What have you got on yours, Ben?
Belgian melted chocolate.
Look at that beauty. Don't eat it all though. I've never eaten a waffle in my life, let alone a Belgian chocolate waffle. What's it like them?
Absolutely beautiful.
How come I've got to this age and never eaten one?
We stayed at this campsite, which is right in the centre of Bruges. €30 for a night just for the pitch. They even charge you extra for a bit of water to top up your tanks. But you are just paying for the location, which is absolutely fantastic. Not even 5 minutes walk to everything in the town centre. Make sure you arrive nice and early. This was about just after 9 o'clock in the morning, and as you can see, there's plenty of spaces available, even at this time in the middle of July.
This is a tasty burger.
We're tasting this range of 12 beers in this beautiful little restaurant.
Oh.
Yes, 12. And are you any of you familiar with a product called Lanogard? It's what you use to protect the underside of your camper van from weather and stuff like that, rust. Well, this one, I think, has a faint aftertaste of Lanogard.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't at all, because that smells of sheep, and it doesn't taste of that.
If you know, you know. It's not unpleasant. Not unpleasant at all.
Well, then you're weird. You can't say that tastes of Lanogard and it's pleasant. Lanogard stinks. No, it's right. This tastes really quite nice.
It does taste nice, but so do sheep. Hi, I hope you enjoyed this trip to Bruges with us today. Do you see that beer that we had, the big tasting platter with 12 beers? We realised when we were showing it to you earlier today, we hadn't actually looked at the price on the menu. It turns out that was €35. So we think that the real success of that is how they can capitalise on gullible tourists. And that's us. We are those gullible tourists, so don't make the same mistake yourselves when you come to Bruges. Anyway, what are we doing later?
Well, tomorrow we're setting off to further south into Belgium, and we've got more adventures planned. So hope you've enjoyed what we've shown you so far, and look forward to seeing you again. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.
Yeah, join us next time deeper into Europe.
Bye.